Hi YouTube viewers, this is Planet Adobo once again. And I'm very excited to share with you an unboxing video of a new release from Bushnell. But this is not it. I'm holding a trophy red dot from Bushnell. It's the TRS 25, and I believe that I did a review and unboxing video of this red dot before. If you haven't seen it, you just go over my videos, and it's probably in the older ones. But this is a fine red dot from Bushnell. It's light, it's small, it's working properly for me. I have used it for my competition 22s for bullseye, and I bought another one because it was properly priced, plus I have other plans for this one. But anyway, this red dot is not the reason I'm doing this video, because I've done a video of this one before. But I'd like to introduce to you the big brother. I said big brother because it's literally big brother of this trophy red dot TRS 25, and voila, this is the big brother of this TRS 25. It's the AR Optics TRS 26. So look at that. The packaging is bigger, of course, but that's not the improvements are certainly inside. And come on, join me and unbox this AR Optics TRS 25. And it comes with this box right here. It's actually they made the box like a very expensive red dots inside. And of course it comes with literature, like all products have. Comes with some, what is this? This is like a lens wipe. Okay, you can actually clip it in your belt or your keychain so that you have it at hand when you need it. That's the one. We have some tools that you can use for manipulating the TRS 26 from Bushnell. There's an Allen wrench. There are multiple tools over here. I believe these are for windage and elevation settings adjustment. Okay, and voila, this is the TRS 26 from Bushnell. Look at that. Are there any other stuff over here? Oh, there's another Allen wrench over here. But without further ado, this is the Bushnell TRS 26, the big brother of the trophy red dot TRS 25. I love the TRS 25, but by the looks of this one, I haven't tried it yet. But by the looks of this one, I already love it. Look at that. There are several changes that they did. Obviously, I'll get to that one by one. Here we go. Right there. It looks good. And just by the finish and everything, this is, if I haven't known the price yet, I would think this is a very expensive red dot. And the good thing is it's not that expensive. But the bells and whistles that's included in this red dot makes you think Bushnell might be in the mood of creating products that's affordable, but they work as good as those expensive ones. I don't believe there are some products out there, you know what I'm talking about. There are some products out there that are overrated. They are highly priced and they're overrated. And this is Bushnell's answer to those products. Hold on, let me grab the older one, the TRS 25, and see. This is a new one, by the way, the TRS 25. I just bought it and it's on sale, and I like the TRS 25 still. I'm not planning to stop using it, but see the difference. TRS 26, TRS 25. Okay, and let's show the covers right there. The front, yep. The side. And the good thing with this TRS 26, it comes with this 1/3 co-witness riser already, so you don't have to buy a mount for your TRS 26. And the riser is made by Bushnell too. There's a good markings and logos over here. Okay, but then let me talk to you about the difference, or what improvements they did from TRS 25 to TRS 26. They are still both like the reticle is still 3 MOAs. The dot color is red, of course. They are multi-coated. Both of them are multi-coated. It's still 1/26 magnification. 1/26 because it's TRS 26, and this is 1/25 because it's TRS 25. You got it? Okay. And then the field of view is still unlimited. There's a parallax apparently. Yeah, most of red dots have parallaxes. So don't think that this is a negative or con of these red dots. But even the most expensive one, think about it, aim point has parallax. This one has parallax too. It's at 50 yards. Both of them are 50 yards. Did I say unlimited field of view? Weight is, of course, this is lighter because it's smaller. Heavier. This is, I think it's a 170 grams. This is 113 grams. But to compare it, they're almost at the same length. It's a little bit longer. Yeah. And eye relief is unlimited. The click value is 1 MOA still, and those are things that are the inside of the red dots. But the controls, they made it really, this is a big step up from Bushnell, because the brightness setting of the TRS 25 is through the battery mount over here. The battery is over here, and the the brightness settings, you click it over here. But for TRS 26, it comes with a push button brightness adjustments up and down. If you want to power up the optic or the red dot, you press up and it will automatically go on. Press down to shut it off. But another thing is the windage, the elevation and windage is still the same placement. The batteries over here, the same battery. They use the CR what was the name of that battery now? CR 20 something. Yeah, don't quote me on that, I'm not good with numbers. But and there are caps to the adjustments, the windage and elevation adjustments, like that. You need a coin or that tool that they came in with to adjust it. And let me show you if I could turn on the red dot. Right there, it's on. Right there. Can you see it? There. It's a very crisp red dot. And it has 12 brightness settings. And the TRS 25 has 11. But it scripts, it works. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. This is the TRS 26 from Bushnell. Get it? This is a properly priced red dot. I got it for a very low price from I think I got it when the Independence Day came. It's July 4th, and it's very inexpensive. I liked it. I haven't tried it yet. I haven't mounted it, anything yet. I just made this video for you guys. But yep, if you have any questions, write a comment down below on my video. Subscribe. Yeah, I need subscription, please. Well, this is Planet Adobo once again, and I'm very glad to make videos like this because I make videos for very, very good products. Alright, mahalo everybody.